Okay, here we go. Oil change time. 2003 Volkswagen Passat 1.8 4-cylinder turbo. See here. Here's the air filter. Take a quick peek here. See how we get this air filter out. I want to crawl down underneath here. Seek out our. And we got the cover guard here. Probably have to pull that off or to get to the engine oil bolt and the oil filter. Well, let me find all the parts, and okay, this might be the oil pan right there. And I may have an oil pan bolt hanging out the back there. Maybe not. Anyway, alright, we'll get to the bottom of this thing, get it all cleaned up, fixed up. Brand new oil, brand new air filter, brand new oil filter. 2003 Volkswagen Passat. Time to get her done. On the right side, driver's side of the engine compartment, down beneath. Looks like it's pretty easy grab. There's a big armhole right there. So just get in from the bottom. And it would pull that bad boy right out, real easy. And still looking for the bolt for the motor pan. Gotta be on there somewhere. Alright, air filter time. So, I got this guy here. It pulls out, gives me some access room. Ooh, bunch of dirt. You're dropping. Alright, now I got a clip here, screw, and then the little by screwdriver can pull that off for this little press fit clamp. And then this stuff's all flexible housing, so should pull this, be able to pull this out, pull the air filter out of here, slide the new one in. So got another press fit connector there. Yeah, that one comes off with it. Alright, so get these guys off first. No one's happy there. Get it. Alright, so it turns out you definitely have got to pull this splash guard off. There's a couple bolts down low that make it kind of tough. It goes in like this. But the reason why it's got to go is there's a clip right there. There's a clip back here for this air filter. And they got to be removed, or else it just get a rag. I'm gonna wipe that off before I put it back on. This guy's already halfway back on. Yeah, oh. There we go. Air filter, not too bad. Alright, so it turns out you definitely have got to pull this splash guard off. There's a couple bolts down low that make it kind of tough. It goes in like this. But the reason why it's got to go is there's a clip right there. There's a clip back here for this air filter. And they got to be removed, or else it just is majorly pain to get it to wiggle in. So, get a rag. I'm gonna wipe that off before I put it back on. This guy's already halfway back on. Yeah, oh. There we go. Air filter, not too bad. Alright, So this guy here, he just pulls right out. Loosen that screw on this clamp. This pulls back. Took these screws off. This guy here's got a little slit in it. It slips right over that. It's Germans, you gotta love them. And this thing can just pull out. This is quite overdue. Just got the car, so don't blame me. And I got the compartment. Alright. Got that guy. Had to pull the splash guard off. It's gonna be an 18. There's an oil pan. So there's a little bolt over there. I got these little weird screws. They're flathead. And then this bolt here holds the rest of the splash guard on. So I'll pull that bolt right there, that 18 millimeter, and then the oil will drain out, and then the oil filter's right up there. Alright, oil's dripping out. Job's done. The oil, it's actually a 19 millimeter wrench, in case you're counting.